In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email a reminder for an appointment in Microsoft Outlook 365 Calendar. Whether it's a friendly nudge about an important appointment or a significant meeting, creating a reminder email in Outlook is a simple yet powerful tool to help you manage your schedule effectively. So let's dive into the details. First, we need to log in to Microsoft Outlook 365. Open your web browser and head over to the official Microsoft Outlook website. You can simply search for Outlook 365 Login, or if you have the link saved, use that to get there faster. Once you reach the login page, you'll see the familiar interface where you can enter your email address and password. Go ahead and sign in with your credentials. Now, after successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Outlook homepage. From this screen, you can access your emails, contacts, and most importantly for today, your calendar. On the bottom left corner of your screen, you should notice the calendar icon. Click on this icon to open your Outlook calendar. Once in your calendar, look for the option that says New Event, usually located at the top left or in a prominent position on the page. Click on it to initiate the process of creating a new appointment or meeting reminder. This is where all the magic happens, allowing you to customize the details that are crucial for your upcoming event. In the New Event window, you'll find a range of options to input details about your appointment. This will include fields for the event title, location, and of course, the start and end time. Set the time for when you want your reminder to go out. Be thoughtful about when you schedule this. Choose a time that gives the recipient enough notice to prepare or accommodate changes. Additionally, you'll find a description or notes section where you can add any pertinent information that needs to be included in the reminder. This could be an agenda for a meeting, directions to a location, or any preparatory work required before the appointment. After filling in all the necessary details, you are ready to set the email reminder. Look for the reminder option, often found under Settings or Options. Here, you can specify when you want Outlook to send the email reminder. You can set it for a few minutes before, an hour before, or even days in advance. Once everything is in place and you've double-checked the details, save the event. Outlook will handle the rest, sending an email reminder according to the schedule you specified. That's it. You've now set up an email reminder for an appointment in Microsoft Outlook 365 Calendar. It's a fantastic way to stay organized and ensure nothing slips through the cracks. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep on top of your appointments with ease.